Hello and welcome back to our items video series. In this video, we will explore the core value of centralized item strategy using ServiceNow, focusing on visibility, efficiency, cost savings, and smarter decisions. Let's dive in and see how ServiceNow enables organizations to get real value out of their IT assets. Single data source, CMDB, as the source of truth. The foundation of a successful item strategy is having a single source of truth, and that's exactly what ServiceNow offers through its Configuration Management Database or CMDB. A centralized CMDB ensures that all asset records are unified, no more chasing data across spreadsheets, emails, or siloed systems. With ServiceNow, you maintain configuration consistency across your hardware, software, and cloud assets. You eliminate data silos, bringing all departments, IT, finance, procurement onto the same page. And thanks to real time synchronization with discovery tools, integrations, and lifecycle events, your data is always up to date and trustworthy. This unified view is what enables all other item processes to function effectively. Transformational benefits of ITAM. With a centralized ITAM approach powered by ServiceNow, the benefits go beyond assets tracking. They become truly transformational. First, you will see improved service delivery. When asset data is accurate and real time, IT operations from incident resolution to change management become smoother and faster. You also gain cost transparency. You know exactly what you are spending, where, and why, allowing for smarter budgeting. Then there's operational efficiency. ServiceNow automates many manual tasks, procurement, onboarding, decompositioning, so your team can focus on high value work. And finally, policy driven management ensure that assets are always handled in compliance with organizational and regulatory standards. This reduces risk and boosts audit readiness. Improved strategic decision making. ITEM is not just about management, it's about strategy. ServiceNow equips your business leaders with the insights they need to make impactful decisions. With accurate reporting, stakeholders can quickly see asset counts, utilization, and health metrics. Asset lifecycle visibility helps in forecasting replacement schedules and maintenance needs, making budgeting more predictable. You also benefit from smarter budget forecasting by using historical data and trends to plan future investment. And with all this in place, informed purchasing become the standard. No more guesswork, just data backed procurement decisions aligned with actual needs. Reduce IT waste with proactive asset monitoring. Let's talk about reducing IT waste. One of the biggest ways item delivers ROI. ServiceNow helps you detect unused assets such as software licenses that were purchased but never activated or devices that sit idle for months. You can optimize licenses usage by relocating licenses based on the actual user activity, avoiding overpurchasing and audit risks. IT teams can relocate underused devices to other departments or projects, extending assets life and avoiding unnecessary spend. And finally, with fully visibility, organizations can reduce redundant purchases because you will know exact what you already have before buying more. This proactive approach leads to huge cost saving and more sustainable IT operations. To summarize, centralized item in ServiceNow gives you a unified view of assets, enables strategic decision making, unlocks operational efficiencies, and dramatically reduce IT waste. Whether you are a mid-sized business or a global enterprise, a well-implemented item strategy on the ServiceNow can transform the way you manage your technology. In our next video, we will explore how organizations maximize asset performance and maintain audit readiness through proper utilization strategies. Thanks for watching.